možda mi kartica ovdje unutar.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, you're very welcome on board this Ryanair flight. Our destination is Düsseldorf-Wetzel. Flight time is around 1 hour and 45 minutes. Captain and command is Mr. Jan, assisted by the first officer Dylan. My name is Rodolfo, on the front with Rebecca, in the middle Alexandra, on the back Monica. Altogether, we're going to take a really good care of you during this flight, but for now we kindly ask your full and complete attention while the cabin crew point out some of the safety features of this aircraft. Please remove your headphones for that demonstration. Thank you.
May we have your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown on before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration. All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign, and the floor path markings will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. The nearest exit may be behind you. In case of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panels above your heads. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. Fit your own mask first before helping anyone else. The life jackets are stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. If it's needed, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure as shown. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Before takeoff, please study the safety card located within the area you are seated, as it includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type. It is essential that cabin signs and instructions given by the crew are followed. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere on board. Your hand baggage must be securely stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you, and it must not block any aisle or exit. Now please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table folded, armrests down, and window blinds open. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Portable electronic devices such as tablets and mobile phones in flight mode may be used throughout the flight. Please select flight mode now and hold your device securely or place it in a pocket. If your device or its battery is damaged, hot, produces smoke, is lost or falls into the seat structure, please inform the cabin crew immediately. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your cabin baggage for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, this type of aircraft you can find in the emergency exits and the life jacket is on the panel just above your head.
Relax and enjoy the flight.
Molimo vašu potpunu pozornost za vrijeme trajanja briefinga o sigurnosnim značajkama ovog zrakoplova. One se mogu razlikovati od zrakoplova kojima ste ranije letjeli. Također vas molimo da uklonite slušalice. Svi izlazi u slučaju nužde označeni su crvenim znakom exit, a oznake na bodu vodit će vas do vama najbližeg izlaza. Izlazi su smješteni na obje strane zrakoplova. Sprijeda usjedinite na stražnom dijelu kabine. Svi izlazi prikazani su na sigurnosnoj kartici, a najbliži izlaz može biti iza vas. U slučaju hitne evakuacije morate ostaviti svu svoju ručnu prtljagu. Kako biste pričvrstili sigurnosni pojas, umetnite metalni kraj u kopču i učvrstite povlačenjem slobodnog dijela pojasa. Kako biste otvorili sigurnosni pojas, jednostavno podignite poklopac kopča. U slučaju gubitka tlaka u kabini, maske s kisikom automatski će ispasti iz pretinca iznad vas. Ostanite sjediti i čvrsto povucite masku kako bi se aktivirao protok kisika. Stavite masku preko nosa i usta, učvrste ju vezicama i normalno dišite. Ne brinite ako se vrećica ne napuhuje, kisik teče. Najprije stavite vlastitu masku, a zatim pomozite drugima. Pojasevi za spašavanje nalaze se ispod vašeg sjedala ili u pretincu iznad vas. Ukoliko je potrebno, pojas izvadite iz paketa i stavite ga preko glave. Stavite remen oko struka, zakopčite ga sprijeda i pričvrstite. Kako biste napuhali pojas za spašavanje, naglo povucite crveni aktivator. Na pojasu se nalazi i usnik za dalje napuhavanje ili ispuhavanje, te svjetlo za privlačenje pozornosti. Prsluk nemojte napuhavati sve dok se ne budete nalazili izvan zrakoplova. Prije poljetanja molimo proučite sigurnosnu karticu smještenu u području u kojem sjedite. Ona uključuje važne sigurnosne informacije specifične za ovaj tip zrakoplova. Nužno je da poštujete znakove u kabini zrakoplova i slijedite upute kabinskog osoblja. Podsjećamo vas da pušenje nije dozvoljeno. Vaša ručna prtljaga mora biti sigurno spremljena u pretine za prtljagu iznad vas ili ispod sjedala ispred vas i ne smije blokirati jedan prolaz ili izlaz. Sada vas molimo da se pobrinete da vaš sigurnosni pojas bude sigurno pričvršćen, sklopivi stol sklopljen, nasloni za ruke spušteni i rolete podignute. Radi vaše sigurnosti preporučujemo da sigurnosni pojas stalno držite pričvršćen. Prijenosni elektronički uređaji kao što su tableti i mobilni telefoni u airplane modu mogu se koristiti tijekom cijelog leta. Molimo da sada odaberete airplane mode i svoj uređaj čvrsto držite ili ga stavite u džep. U slučaju da su vaš uređaj ili baterija oštećeni, pregrijavaju se ili proizvode dim. Ako vam je uređaj upao između sjedala ili ste ga izgubili, molimo vas da odmah obavijestite članove kabinskog osoblja. Veći uređaji, uključujući prijenosna računala, moraju biti isključeni i odloženi u kabinsku prtljagu za vrijeme poljetanja i slijedanja. Zahvaljujemo na pažnji. Možete se opustiti i uživajte u letu.
Ladies and gentlemen, for safety regulation, the cabin lights will be dim before takeoff. If you wish to continue reading, you can use the light in the panel just above your head. If you press the control by mistake, please press it again to reset it. This is a normal procedure when flying in the hours of darkness. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Take your seats for departure, please. Seats for departure.
continue to observe the seatbelt sign till the captain switching off for you. For now, the captain release only the cabin crew. For your comfort and safety, we do recommend you keep your seatbelt securely fastened for all duration of the flight. Extremely caution when opening the hood or lock as items may fall out and cause injuries. We would like to remind you this is a no-smoking flight. Smoking in the cabin is completely forbidden. We have 3 toilets on board, one at the front, one at the back. Shortly going to start our flight service, but for now invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight with us.